This video is about how to set up structure on your class website. So how to break it down, make it easier to read, etc. So here we are on the start page again. I'm going to come over here to classes, come back to our demo class. So this already has a couple things, but I'll show you how to do it. So let's say you want to start out with an announcement about what you're expecting from the class, or maybe you want to post the syllabus. So let's say welcome message, and you want to say something. And so this is an announcement, which we've already posted a video on how to make an announcement. So this then goes up at the top. So let's say you want to break things down into different sections or sessions. So you'll come over here and say add session. And we'll say that this is week 4. If you saw before, we already had 3 weeks. Just to show you how to do this, you type in the session name, or you could break it down into units. So maybe it's like, or topics. So, but for ease, we'll just, for the example, do by week. Then you can put in your sequence number. For example, this will come in 4th. The start and end date. So if you want things to break it up by week, for example, you can then change the dates. You can say that it's only displayed between those dates, or you can say always or not now and come back to it, but we'll just for example's sake say this. Save. So now here we have the 4 different weeks. So if we go to week 1 and press this little plus sign under it, oh, there's nothing there. But in week 2, attached to week 2 already, from the other videos with the discussion forums and assessments, when we were creating the discussion forums, we linked it to this session, and we linked this assessment to this session. So you can do that when you create any of these, or you can do it this way. So let's say we want to create an assignment for week 3. So if you hover over one of the sessions, you see these little icons. So this is to edit. So this is basically to go back and change these. Save. This is to add an announcement. So if you wanted to add an announcement just within here, so we'll just call it test and test. You can do the start and expiration date, the session. You can upload a file. So now when we go to week 3, here is our test announcement. You can add an assessment. So like we did before, you can add an assessment that then is directly attached to week 3. Go back. And then you can also add an assignment or add a discussion thread. And then this is another thing that you probably won't use, so I won't go into it. So this is just a way to kind of structure things. So again, you can break it down however you'd like, by week, by topic, by unit, etc. But just to give you an idea of what this looks like. Yeah.